theme of Salem.
Pick your feet up.
Good job. Thank you for trusting me.
Even a lobster, right?
This is so nice. GoPro. It's nice.
You nodded. What? Excellent. Yes, if you've seen the movie Hocus Pocus, you may recognize this building. You know what the scene is filmed here.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our vlog, Pramod and Narsila vlog. हामी चाहिँ आज म्यासाचुसेट्सको सेलम भन्ने ठाउँमा जाँदैछौँ। त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ धेरै यो विचक्राफ्ट सम्बन्धी हिस्ट्रीहरू छ अनि हामी यहाँबाट अलमोस्ट 2.5 आवर ड्राइभ कनेक्टिकट वेस्ट हार्टफोर्डबाट र हाम्रो आज मेन जाने इच्छा गर्ने मान्छे चाहिँ यहाँ नाच्दैछ र फलो अस अलोङ आवर ट्रेल।
हामी चाहिँ कहाँ भने यो सेलम जाने होइन बाटोमा छौँ। आजको ड्राइभर चाहिँ प्रमोद हो। म चाहिँ सेलम आज किन चाहिँ जानु लागेको हो भने म भन्छु है त। म चाहिँ अमेरिकामा 2004 मा आएको अनि आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ यस्तो इन्टरभ्यूहरू लाइब्रेरीमा काम गर्दा लाइब्रेरीमा इन्टरभ्यूहरू भएको थियो है। अनि हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ हाम्रो सुपरभाइजरले भन्यो अब समरी लेख्नु किताबको जस्तै 1000 चाहिँ पढ्नु पर्थ्यो। अब 1000भन्दा बढी पढ्नुपर्ने अनि हामीले त्यो किताबको चाहिँ समरी लेख्नुपर्ने थियो कि। अनि मैले त्यो किताबहरू अब पुरा पढ्नु पर्थ्यो अनि पढ्दा अनि मैले चाहिँ एउटा किताब चाहिँ मैले लाइब्रेरीमा पिक गरेको चाहिँ एउटा बोक्सीको किताब थियो कि बोक्सीको सेलमको। अनि त्यो टाइटल चाहिँ मैले बिर्सेँ हो। त्यो एकदम इन्ट्रेस्टिङ लागेको मलाई एकदम इन्ट्रेस्ट लागेको किनभने अमेरिकामा पनि बोक्सीहरू हुँदो रहेछ किनभने उता पनि बोक्सीहरू थियो क्या। अब बोक्सीहरूको कथा सुनिरहेको नि त अनि त्यहाँदेखि पढ्दै जाँदा यहाँ त झन् डर लाग्दो लाग्यो कि बोक्सीहरूलाई झुन्डाको त्यत्तिकै अब के जस्तो देख्दाखेरि पनि अब बोक्सी रहेछ यो भनेर झुन्डाको रहेछ कि। अनि त्यो नराम्रो लाग्यो अनि के चाहिँ रहेछ भनेर तबदेखि चाहिँ मलाई यो सेलममा जानु मन लागेको। जाउँ भन्दा घरि प्रमोदले मेरो बुढाले भन्थ्यो सातो जान्छ है अब त्यहाँ भन्छ घरि के भन्छ कसले के भन्थ्यो तर आज चाहिँ जाने मौका पायो है। अनि आज चाहिँ हामी देब्रा पेरी दिदीसँग जाँदैछौँ छ अनि हामीले आज चाहिँ बोट टुर गर्छौँ है 2-3 घन्टाको बोट टुर छ हाम्रो। अनि त्यहाँदेखि तिनीहरूको घरहरू हेर्ने अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ हामी वक टुर छ 1.5 आवर्सको त्यही गर्ने हो अनि हेर्ने हो के चाहिँ रहेछ कस्तो रहेछ भनेर मलाई अलिकति हिस्ट्री बुझ्नु मन लागेको हो। बुझ्नुभयो? तपाईँको चाहिँ आज के को इच्छा छ?
घुम्ने
हो त्यति मात्रै हो?
घुम्ने आज हेर्ने के रहेछ
त्यस्तै हो। त्यही भएर चाहिँ आज हामी जानु लागेको है। तर अब त्यहाँ के हुन्छ कस्तो हिस्ट्री रहेछ त्यो चाहिँ तपाईँहरूको अघि हामी ल्याउने छौँ। तबसम्मको लागि बाई। अब हाम्रो चाहिँ पार्किङ चाहिँ आउने बेला हो है। अब हामी चाँडै नै हाम्रो पार्किङमा पुग्नेछौँ। गाडी पार्क गरेपछि हामी सेल बोटमा चढ्न जानेछौँ।
कता चढ्नु लागेको?
ए हामी बोटमा जानु लागेको है। Excited too. I'm very excited. Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Watch your step coming
Okay.
down.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Watch your step down.
Is this all right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here?
Yeah. You sit there, we sit here. Sounds good.
What are we doing, Bob?
Where are you going, Debra, Didi?
Where am I going?
There's the map. Right here. We're here by the club.
Yeah, so here's the map, so you'll be good. You're fine.
Where is it?
Or you should see the people,
What is the map?
everybody I have in English
This is
class,
the map?
so many have been coming.
Hey, Pramod. कहाँ गएको? This is my vlog.
कहाँ
This is
गएको?
my
माछा मार्न
post.
गएको।
माछा
We're
मार्नु?
gonna get some sponsors. Yeah. The Tell Brothers.
You look handsome.
Promote. Could you put that in your backpack? Sure. Thank you.
Oh, I have my bag too. Yeah.
You have backpack, Deborah, Didi?
No, I have a purse.
Good job.
I don't think that's really allowed.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. So
Look at that.
I didn't have my backpack.
You got a GoPro?
This is my GoPro. This is you be in the TV. I'm on TV.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me fix my eyebrows.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Fine, she's gonna have to interrupt you.
Okay, no problem.
But it's a good seat, so.
Okay.
Oh, that's what you got. All the good stuff.
Haba.
कहिले हावा छ र हावा छ तिम्रो आफू पो बनाउने हुन्छ
Hand over hand. All right, so one person's going to be pulling down, and we're raising this side of the sail right here, the throat.
Okay.
The other person's going to sit here
Okay.
and pull on this, make it tight, and make a big pile of rope at your feet.
Okay, I'll do that.
All right, so the captain's going to say ready on the main. We
Okay.
answer back ready,
Yes, sir.
and then we'll haul away. And we want it to go up nice and evenly, because otherwise if we go up too fast, it puts all the weight on them. If they go up too fast, it puts all the weight on us.
What should you say on this?
He's ready on the main. We answer back ready, and then you pull on ready.
Someone
and
is on the
from
side?
there.
Wait till when I have to raise the sail. There's all kinds of things.
Oh, yeah.
It's all good. Oh, yeah, it has to do with the wind.
Look at how those walkways are.
Sail. It's that sail right at the front.
TikTok. TikTok पनि बन्न जाऊ
Ready on the main. Ready! Pull away, you sir.
We're not going that far.
Watch the boom, watch the boom.
Whoa! Yay!
All right.
I don't know, I'm slow.
John, you said careful when you move slowly. All right, keep on coming on our side.
Not much sailing in Nepal.
Looking good. You're getting it done. You're getting it done. Okay.
Yeah,
Pick your feet up. It gets heavier now.
yeah.
All right, big pull.
Oh,
I got it.
I'm gonna pull on this.
What happened here? Yeah.
And then when I let go, when I let in.
Good work, good work. Thank you.
Thank you. Bravo. Yay!
All right. You guys want to go? No keel hauling today.
Excellent.
Trying to use all my nautical terms.
Wow, how about all those folks that missed out on that fun?
Yeah.
Come on, we got one up forward here.
We're good. That's nice shade.
Good job.
Good job.
Saw a seal right in front of us and he went down.
It's pushing me back. It's okay, right? I'm doing good job?
Yeah, it's pushing that way, right?
Yeah.
So you have to push back.
Okay.
ल यो नर्सरीले पुरा यहाँ चलाउँदैछ
चलाउँदैछ है?
पुरा यहाँ मान्छे यत्रो छ
Good.
It's okay, right? Okay. Okay. Good job. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you.
Please, now step towards me. step, stop. Use the forehead as well. Okay, come towards me.
Yeah, I mean, we have our family here. We don't have no. Oh, my family's in Seattle.
Nope.
Yeah, or
It's the middle.
thereabouts, the West Coast. Oh, yeah.
Good job.
I'm done now.
You're done? All right.
Thank you.
Well done.
Good job.
Thank you. Wow.
Any adult want to sail, go head back. All right, so I'm going to be talking from about here.
I think we're going back.
성검 분들.
We'll get it when we get it done.
खतरा भइरहेको छ अब सक्नु लाग्यो
अब हामी जानु लागेको होला दाइ अब हामी चाहिँ कहाँ जान्छ होला त्यो लन्च खानु जान्छ है क्यान्सरले के गरिरहेको छ टेबल बुक गरिरहेको छ अरे थाहा छैन सरप्राइज त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ हाम्रो 2 आवर्सको चाहिँ वकिङ टुर छ हो
त्यसपछि त्यहाँ सेलम वकिङ टुर
2 आवर्स होइन खाना खाएपछि रमाइलो भइरहेको छ
Thank you. Have a good day. You too.
Thanks for coming by.
Thank you. Thank you very
See
much.
you later.
Thanks.
They can post all that video up.
Yeah.
Thanks very much.
ल हाम्रो आजको बोट यात्रा यो चाहिँ चढेका थियौँ हामी सेम अफ सेलम
अब हामी चाहिँ कहाँ जाने
अब त खाना खानु जाने
Do we pay extra for the
यो चाहिँ मेरो लब्स्टर है लब्स्टर रोल
GoPro is easy, it's nice. Lots of memory.
तिमी के मगाएको
मैले चाहिँ फिस एन्ड चिप्स अब हामीले चाहिँ लन्च खानु आँटेको
That was when we went out to Yellowstone and we had a couple of meals in like these nice lodges and stuff.
दिदीको चाहिँ हिस्ट्री
And we walked in and there's like this big family and they're all like this. And so, oh, they're nice. They're saying grace, right? They were actually all checking their emails, you know, on their cell phones.
प्रमोदले चाहिँ पैसा हाल्नु बिर्सेछ गाडीको खै पार्किङको भयो हाल्यो पे गर्यो ओके he for almost forgot to pay रमाइलो भयो हामीलाई आजको दिन रमाइलो भयो प्रमोदले मास लगाएको प्रमोदले
relevance is 0. Interesting relevance though, anyone recognize the building? You nodded. From what? Excellence. Yes, if you've seen the movie Hocus Pocus, you may recognize this building. Do you know what scene was filmed here? No. That's okay. It's just the location of it. But this is the meeting house. Now, today we don't really have meeting houses because we don't really need to come together as a community like they did. They're executed. So it's, you know, hang, 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 press to death, and hang. So a few things I like about this memorial is A, it's just nice. B, it sort of acts as an open entranceway, this adjacent rock wall, sort of.
ल है आज चाहिँ हाम्रो यो सेलमको टुर चाहिँ सिधेर अब घरतिर जाँदैछौँ किनभने कति बज्यो 6 बजेछ साढे 2 घन्टा त लाग्छ है हामीलाई अनि अब चाहिँ थाक्यो पनि probably 8:30 तिर पुग्छ होला एकछिन बानीमा रेस्ट गर्नु पर्यो जे होस् रमाइलो भयो एकदमै 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 भनेको भन्दा पनि मजा आयो है साह्रै रमाइलो भयो किनभने मैले
थ्याङ्क यू फर फलोइङ अस रमाइलो भयो आज है अब घर जाँदैछौँ 8:30 9 बजीतिर पुगिन्छ होला आश्रम विश्राम गरेर गुड नाइट सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट ब्लग